'Cause all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Yes, I love your voice.
I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and in darkest night. You are close like no other. See, I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Yeah, yeah. All my life you have been faithful. Can we sing that, church? Sing it together. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, yes, I sing of the goodness of God. Sing this out. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until
Tayo, Panginoon, amin po tinatalaga sa iyo ang lugar na to. We dedicate it in your name, Lord God. Lahat po, Panginoon, na magiging bahagi ng hanap buhay na ito, katulad po ng pagpapahid namin ng iyong langis, Panginoon. Amin po itinatalaga sa iyo. Ano mang gawa ng kaaway ay hindi po mamalaki, hindi po magtagumpay kung hindi ang iyong presensya, ang iyong pagpapala, at ang iyong gabay lamang po, Panginoon.
all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I'm gonna sing of the goodness